Hi guys, today I am going to be making a one pot lazy lasagna. So we're not going to be layering, we're not going to be baking, and there's not going to be many dishes to clean. So if you love lasagna but you don't like all the work, this dish is for you. So stick around. Oh my God, this is delicious. Yeah. It's more 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of ground sausage. And we just mash it up and cook it until it is completely cooked through. All right, now we'll add the garlic and onion and cook until the onion is soft and fragrant. Okay, now I'm going to add the chicken broth. I'm adding this whole carton. And 1 jar of your favorite marinara. Now I just added a bit of water to this jar just to get all of the sauce out. And then we stir. Now the onions weren't cooked through yet, so I'm just going to let it boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to be adding some lasagna noodles. They are not pre-baked, or pre-boiled, sorry. And I did break about 8 pieces up before I put them in the pot. So this is totally no pre-cooking the lasagna. So you just add that, give it a stir. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Now we're going to let it cook for about 20 minutes until the lasagna noodles are finished and soft. And we will be back. By the way, this looks and smells amazing. Just saying. You can add your choice of cheeses during any of this cooking. I have chosen just to add a little bit at the end. All right, looks like it's done cooking. Everything looks just perfect. Let's go in for a taste. All right. I am not gonna lie, I did taste the sauce just for seasoning, and it's delicious. Give you a close-up. It's really hard to do this. Okay, so it's really, really hot. I'm gonna add a bit of Parmesan cheese to the top. I decided not to put cheese in this dish. Sometimes cheese doesn't get along with me, so. All right. The noodles are totally cooked through, which is awesome. Oh my gosh, trying to get everything here. All right, here we go. Tell me what you guys are planning for dinner tonight. I need some new ideas. Oh my God, this is delicious. It's more of a soup. If you want it thicker, just don't add that much liquid. But it's delicious. On second thought, guys, add all the liquid because it does soak it up. This has been sitting here for about an hour or so, and it's pretty thick. So add all that liquid and you'll be fine. Liquid. But it's delicious. The Johnsonville sausage, the ground sausage, you have to add it. It's just it's just so good. Mm. Mm. You guys have got to make this. Mm. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go eat.